the free Kraken app cryptocurrency tutorial.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more.
Open up the application, go to home. This will be a list of all the different cryptocurrencies that you can see. If you have the crypto tab open, as you can see, you can click on most popular, most amount of gainers, what has lost of this week, and all the new cryptocurrency. If you even click on a cryptocurrency, it's going to open up cryptocurrency. As you can see, you can click on 24 hours and click on the all-time chart. If you scroll down, you can even see the market cap. You can go to the orders if you want to set your own order and all the transactions for this crypto. You can even see the about tab, read more about this cryptocurrency project. Same thing with all of these other cryptocurrencies. You can click on the chart and see the all-time high of the cryptocurrency, the market cap, trading activity, how many people are buying versus selling. You can even choose to deposit in order to get access to this cryptocurrency, or you can click on buy, bottom right hand screen. As you can see, you can buy this either as a one-time, daily, etc. Click here. You can even choose to add a specific pay with to buy this cryptocurrency, to add a payment method. On the top right hand screen, you can click the star icon and this is going to add it to your watch list. You can even share this like so. It has a screenshot of the chart. You can even add a notification by clicking this bell icon, whatever price, and you'll get a notification on your phone. You can even take a look at stocks by scrolling to the right. How there's a list of different stocks you can take a look at in the video. Same thing. You can take a look at ETFs, etc. Click on portfolio right here, the second tab. This is a list of your cryptocurrency portfolio and it'll show the value, the realized gain. You scroll down, it'll show all the list of different things that you hold. If you go to the middle hand screen and click on explore, even search anything right here on the search bar. Click on activity. You can see the activity of your account, all of the transactions, the type, the assets, the date, etc. You click on the last tab, you can send money anywhere instantly